In our video today, we're going on a reading adventure. Imagine having to explain your favorite video game in one sentence. That one sentence is what we call the central idea. The central idea is the main point that a text revolves around. Just like your game revolves around a main plot or goal, understanding a central idea is like a scavenger hunt. Once you know what to look for, you find it in lots of places. Let's look at a story. A mouse accidentally wakes up a sleeping lion. The lion spares the mouse's life when it promises to help the lion one day. The lion gets caught in a hunter's trap. Hearing the lion's roar, the mouse rushes to the rescue and gnaws through the ropes, freeing the lion. So what's the central idea here? Even the small and seemingly weak can help the powerful. Now, how do we know this? Well, the mouse freeing the lion and the lion sparing the mouse. These details support the central idea. Understanding the central idea helps us make sense of the story's details. When you read, be a detective. Look for the central idea and key details that shape it. Your mission is to unlock the story's big secret, the central idea. Be creative and have fun. Happy reading. And remember to always stay curious.